That's interesting. CADCHF, it's at its all-time low right now. The price successfully broke through our support area. Yeah, tested, came back up, came back. Is it going to continue going downward? If it's going to go down, we expect the price to go as low as that level. So what we expect now is for the market to come down, retrace, retest, and then continue downwards. Is it possible for it to keep going down, or it's going to turn up? Let's find out. Okay, welcome to my chat. This is another trade alerts video, and this one is on CADCHF, right? CADCHF has been trending downwards in a very interesting way. In fact, as a matter of fact, when the price got to the lowest level, yeah, we anticipated it to go up. We didn't even expect it to come down anymore, right? We anticipated it to go up, but it came down again. It has broken down, right? And it still seems to be going. In fact, it has been created a new, it's at its all-time low right now. CADCHF is at its all-time low right now, but we're going to analyze and see where it could possibly go. Is it possible for it to keep going down, or it's going to turn up? Let's find out. Now, as you can see, firstly, like we said, it's in a downtrend, right? Let's begin our trend line here, down to this area. Cool. Okay, so this is clear to us that it's moving in a downtrend. It's already clear that this is moving in a downtrend. Okay, so but let's zoom in and see what we could find on CADCHF. Okay, so we see the struggle here, right? How the market came down, went up to our 50% level, came back down. You see, this is why I told you guys there are some currency pairs that respect the 50% level between two zones. See how it just went up, struggled to pass, and came back down. All right. If you watch our video on AUD card, right here, you'll see how we illustrated the use of trend line on this 50% level, how the trend line could indicate to us that the price is going to continue or the price is looking to reverse. All right, well, check that video out, it will be helpful to you. Okay, so right now the price has tested our support area, still went back up and has fallen back down. All right, that's interesting, right? So for some reason CADCHF is struggling to go up. It's struggling seriously to continue going up. What can we do, and how can we take advantage of this? All right, now we see that the price successfully broke through our support area. Yeah, came, tested, went back up, came back, went back up, came back. That's interesting. When does all of this happen? Because we didn't take this trade. I think we just included CADCHF into our watch list quite recently, because earlier this year, once we saw the price was already struggling below. Yeah, right, I think so. Cool. So we missed all of these trades actually. When we saw the price had already gone down to the lowest price, we just overlooked the trade and expected it to reverse up. We weren't interested in any more sell trades, right? But interestingly, it has broken down. It seems to continue going downwards, right? See how it has broken this area. Yeah, see how it has broken. Is it going to continue going downward? We don't know. If it wants to continue going downward, how far can it go? Because there is no other level below that. That's the lowest price for CADCHF. So if it wants to continue going, how far can it go? Right, let's find out. Let's look at the weekly time frame if we will see any clues. Okay, yeah, so let's get rid of this thing. Oh, cool. All right, so we see the market moved in a range for a while, came here, went up, came back down, went up, and now has broken through. So now this is a very beautiful information, right? You're going to say, how will we use this? So there are two things we could do. If this market wants to continue, if this price wants to continue going down, there are two things we could do. But let me confirm something right quickly. Okay, no, that didn't work out. All right, so there's one way we can use this range we just saw. So we're going to calculate it if the market wants to continue going down, right? Because there's no base for it again. It has already broken the base. If it wants to continue going down, we're going to calculate the distance of the range and use that in anticipation. Oh, cool. All right, so let's duplicate this. Where's the second guy? Oh my, where did he go? Okay, cool. Why did it go that? Can you imagine? Let's just get rid of that, man. Okay, why did it just clone right up there? What's this? Interesting. Okay, so it seems CADCHF doesn't want to do that for us. Let's just use this. Let's use this from the this, yeah, cool. Take it down the same distance as. So this is the break of the range. So we're gonna take it down to the same level, like so. Okay, so we expect the price to still trade down to this level if it's going to go down. If it's going to go down, we expect the price to go as low as that level, right? But remember, you also always take your profit at a certain, you first take profit at a certain level before the full thing completes. It just might not get there. So that's what the weekly time frame shows us. That's what the weekly time frame shows us. All right, but if it's going to respect that level, then it's easy. We can just easily move it right up to this level, push the price up to that level. Let's see what we have on the daily time frame. Okay, pretty much the same thing, not much of a difference. Pretty much the same thing. If we had a leg, if we had a first leg somewhere here, like so, okay, would have easily said this is a double top, and the price has just broken the neckline. It's going to reverse, retrace, and retest the neckline before going down to complete. But we don't have that, so we can't say that. Yeah, so we'll just work with what we've already gotten from the weekly time frame. Right, we don't have any other information. If it also, I was trying to test the 50% Fibonacci level. If it had respected the 50% Fibonacci level, then we would have known what else to do. They would have used the Fibonacci extension. So let's use the Fibonacci. No, we can't even use the Fibonacci extension, can we? On this. But let's just try just for the fun of it and see what we get. You never can tell, it could even give us the same thing. So this here down there, and let's see how far it goes. Okay, so it didn't respect the 50% Fibonacci level, so this level is not valid for us. Alright, that would have been our first target. That would have been our first target, an easy one. But it's not valid, so we'll get rid of that. We'll work with the range. Right, we'll work with the range. On the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, so on the 4-hour, it's already broken. Did the 4-hour respect this as well? Let's see. And the 4-hour actually did, but It has already hit the Fibonacci extension level on the 4 hours, so we can't work with that. I think we should just leave this Fibonacci guy alone. Alright. Okay, cool. So currently it has broken the support area. Right, support area has been broken right here. So what we expect now is for the market to come down, retrace, retest, and then continue downwards. If that happens, our target would be, our overall target would be this level. But if that does not happen, then what we expect is this would be a fake out. It's going to go back up, and as a matter of fact, it's even looking like it's creating a double bottom. I think it should create a double bottom on a smaller time frame, but we don't trade on the smaller time frames. We don't, it's too noisy. It's too noisy, but just for the sake of let's just see what we could find on the 1 hour. Let's take it down to the 30 minutes time frame. It's been a very long time we traded on the 30 minutes time frame, guys. Really long. Okay guys, this is the 30 minutes time frame. Does it look like, nah, it's not, it doesn't look like what I was thinking. It doesn't look like that. Alright guys, let's get out of here. It's been a very long time we traded on a lower time frame. So guys, that's basically what we have for CADCHF. Right, that's what we have for CADCHF. If it breaks down, confirms it wants to actually break down. For those of you who actually trade lower time frame, I feel if the market should break this swing low right here, that's a good sell for you. That's a good sell. That's an early sell for you, an early sell signal. So you could place your trade somewhere there, put your stop loss above the previous swing high, and then ride it all down to this level. That's a pretty good one for you guys. Reward to risk 8:1. Right, that's a nice one for you guys. So you could take the risks if you trade lower time frames. We don't trade lower time frames. So we're going to wait on the 4-hour time frame for the price to confirm it's ready to go down or up. Once it gives us that confirmation, we will jump into the trade, guys. All right, so see you guys in subsequent trade alert videos.